Hey everyone, it's Suki here. It's time to check in with the Boys and Girls Club of Canada to see what they're cooking up with Kid Food Nation. Today is all about having a balanced diet, and Kylie's gonna show us how easy it is.
Making a balanced meal doesn't have to be a challenge, but I could use your help. What should be on our balanced lunch today?
Tuna toast. Melted cheese. Peppers. Cucumber.
All right, let's chop the veggies, but don't forget to have an adult around, and then we'll melt the cheese. Usually about half is okay. Pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. And there we have it, a delicious tuna melt with a side of sliced veggies. And the best part, a balanced meal tastes delicious. For more KFN fun, head to kidfoodnation.com, presented by President's Choice Children's Charity.